Welcome to our channel. If you want to unlock free premium access on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and use the search bar to find the downloader app. Install it if necessary. Step 2. Launch Downloader and locate the URL input field on the home screen. Step 3. Enter the downloader code that unlocks free premium access and press Go to start downloading. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download fully. Monitor the progress shown on screen. Step 5. When download finishes, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to complete, then click Done. Delete the APK file if desired. Step 7. Navigate to your Fire Stick home screen and find the Premium Access app in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and enjoy premium features including ad-free streaming, exclusive content, high-quality video, and advanced features, all unlocked for free through the downloader code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.